Uh, so regarding this particular trade or this particular setup that I sent, I don't think I have the previous screenshot on this, but like I promised to explain this. This is what happened here. If you look at this here, you notice that we have a resistance here, which was later respected when price came back here and respected it here. And then what happened here again? It respected this particular resistance and pushed to the downside. So this was what I was explaining in the group, right? This was what I was explaining in the group, which I think one of you was asking that what happened here. If you look at this price action here, right, we have resistance formed, right, in a downtrend. Market is pushing down, so we are looking for ways to sell, not to buy, right? Then here we got a support, which this was a support to the left side. If you check, if you go, I think this should be around 4112. Yeah, it should be around 4112. I don't remember, but it should be around 4112. We had a support that was not retested, so I took this 1 to 2, easy 1 to 2 here from here, and then we hit TP in less than, I think, 30 minutes or 15. I think it should be 15 minutes. Yeah, market touched and entered our entry, then pushed to the upside, hitting our TP in less than 15 minutes before coming down, forming another resistance here, breaking this support because it's in downtrend, remember, then pushing down here to clear this sells, and so to clear this buys before forming another support here. If you look, we have bearish candle, bullish candle, we have our support here, then we have confirmation candle breaking above and pushing to the upside, giving us this. I think this should be around 1 to 2 or more than, it should be 1 to 3. I don't remember. Maybe 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 2.5. I don't remember. So market pushed to the upside, right? Then we have this resistance here, which was respected here, right? If you look at this, you see that this resistance was respected, right? We have market showing us this exhausting candle. This candle is called exhaustion candle, and then we have our resistance formed, bullish candle, bearish candle, right? Bullish candle, exhausting, exhausting candle. Then we have bearish candle, which shows very clean resistance from this resistance here. We have another resistance respecting this resistance. So what we are looking for next is the break below this particular candle. That's how we took this particular trade. Candle broke below, entered from here, right? Moved to the moved downwards, going back to retest this resistance, right? And pushing backwards again. Even if you had missed this entry, this retest should tell you that you should be looking for sales from this point, right? You should be looking for sales from this confirmation candle. Of course, we have our wick formed, which is a good sign that market is going bearish from this point. So this is very good setup, very good. Market is bearish and you are looking for sales. So because the buys here has not been confirmed, so that's why we were able to catch 1 to 3 here, and market pushed to the upside, breaking this resistance, right? Taking out this resistance after hitting TP here, we have our support, another support here, which was the one that was respected from this point before market pushed to the upside, taking out this trades if you didn't close, coming to retest, this resistance here, right? Retesting this resistance here. It retested this resistance, pushed to the downside again, pushing back or up again, respecting this zone again, then pushing downwards. And I believe this should explain it to you guys. Thank you.